We called upon to introduce the chairperson for this very important occasion. In an occasion such as this, I hope you all bear with me that we need someone who will be able to steer the event to a successful end. Looking around, our eyes rested on this fine gentleman, who was the former Ezma East NAD chairman and committee member of salaries and conditions of service, NAT, and is currently the basic head of, as I said already, A Basic. He is no other person than Mr. David Nmoa. Chairman, your audience, your chairman.